this video I'd like to show you briefly the results of a drone survey of a former limestone quarry, which is now used for the development of an environmental landscape. What you can see here is a three-dimensional point cloud created through a process called photogrammetry. It uses many overlapping images and coordinates to create points in a coordinate system representing the surface of the recorded area. These point clouds can further be used for generating mesh-based 3D models, digital elevation models, or high-resolution orthophotos of that site. This project aims to restore the natural habitat of animals and plants by rebuilding the landscape after special criteria. The building follows our environmental landscape development plan, and its process is reviewed with the help of this drone data, for example by extracting the measured heights of the surface or the calculation of remaining soil volumes.